everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michaela if you're new here. So if you want some really great affordable Amazon finds and home and beauty items, keep watching this video. I am so excited. This is my first Amazon haul. My last haul went just really well. You guys really liked seeing what I got, and so I decided to show you some things that I have bought over a couple of months now on Amazon. And I'm so excited because I think I found some really good stuff. I have things that are my home and beauty items here, some things you guys saw in my room tour, so I will show you that. So let's get into the video. So my first item here is this toothbrush holder. I love this toothbrush holder. It's just, it's gorgeous. I love the crystal way about it, and this was only about $13 on Amazon, so I thought it was pretty affordable. And I just wanted something that was elegant and just simple, but also it makes a statement. I think it works really well so far. Obviously make sure you just take care of it, you don't break it or anything, but so far it works really well. And I decided to get a matching tray holder. This was about $34 on Amazon, and it's just a really cute size that you can see. And I like to put all of my, just some perfumes, hair products. I have like a little flower. I just like to put little cute items in there that match a whole aesthetic that I have going on in my bathroom, and I love it. I think it's the perfect size. It's not too big, and so you can put this on your vanity set and it won't take up too much space. And I think these together are just adorable, so definitely recommend. So go get yourself one of these. So the next item is something to use for your car. So if you saw my last video, my car tour, you guys know I bought a new car. So I've been buying a few things for my car, which has been exciting. And so I bought this like car hook, and how it works is you just put it on the back of the seat, and it just hangs there, and you can put like your purse there, you can put a water bottle, you can put, I don't know, umbrella, whatever you want to hold there. And I feel like it holds really well, and it comes in a pack of 4, and this was about it was about $6, so it's pretty affordable. And I think it really, and you can get different colors too. I just got black because it matches my car. The next thing is something that I'm super excited about. I got this My Smile. This is a teeth whitening tray, and I heard some really good reviews about it, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna just give it a shot, see if I like it. And so far I've done 2 applications, and oh my goodness, I saw a huge difference, because I originally just had some yellow teeth, nothing like super bad or anything, but it was noticeable. And the first application I saw a tiny change, but the second application, oh my goodness, I saw a huge difference in my teeth. It took away a lot of yellow, and it started to just be bright, and I was so surprised how I was so floored at how it worked. And like I keep looking in the mirror because my teeth just look so much brighter and whiter, and I just can't believe after 2 applications that it did it. And it's super easy to like work, and like you just have to like put this in your mouth, and then the blue light, I don't know if you guys, the blue light comes on. Blue light comes on, you just wait 10 minutes, and you spit it, and you just wash your mouth, because you have to put the solution on it. And these solution it's in these little syringes. And this tray only cost me $16, and then the refills cost me $18, so it's about $35. And I think it's pretty affordable, because the refills actually are several applications, because each syringe is about 7 applications. And so I have 3 syringes, that's 21 applications. And so I do it like every other day for the first week, and then afterwards you do it once a week. And so honestly, I think you're saving a lot of money. And if you get whitening strips at the store, it costs the same amount, $35. But after you're done with the box, you have to go pay another $35. In this case, I feel like you're saving money, because after you buy the tray, that's it. You don't have to go buy another tray. You just have to go buy some refills for $18. instead of $35–$45. And so I feel like down the line I'm actually saving money, and I also think it works really well. I'm just surprised how well it works. So I would definitely give this a shot if you have some stained teeth, and it's super easy to use. And if you want me to do a whole video on this, I definitely will, so let me know. But definitely recommend. Alright, so my next thing is this shampoo scalp scrub. It was about $8 on Amazon, and you just put your fingers like this. Looks like this. And you just like the circular motion scrub your scalp, and it's actually like super, like it's not like super hard, so it's actually pretty comfortable, and it's like, you know, comfortable when you're shampooing. And I honestly, like TMI, but I always had a dry scalp and I had some buildup, and so I looked it up how I can, you know, get around it and fix it, and people recommended me trying this out. And I really, honestly, so far I've used it a couple times, and I felt like my scalp actually looks a lot better, and I don't have as many, you know, flakiness, and my scalp isn't, you know, as itchy. It just honestly feels a lot healthier. And so I just had to build up from products, and so I needed something to just get it off, and I think this is a great product to use. I think it's just worth trying if you all have the problem like me. And yeah, you can get all sorts of colors, and it's not too pricey, and I'm happy about it. Along with that hair item, I also got this microfiber, you know, hair towel. And I mentioned this in one of my videos, in my frizzy hair video, that to avoid frizzy hair, I don't put my hair in a towel. I use a t-shirt. And you can also use a microfiber towel as well. And so I decided to get myself one because I just like, the t-shirts always just annoyed me, and they didn't always cover my head, so I wanted something that could completely cover my head. And this was like $5.99. So, and I just love the texture. You can see the texture of it, and so it's pretty like decently thick, and so I honestly like just wear it. I wore it for several hours just because I felt so comfortable, and I feel like I did the job done, and it dried in a few hours, so it's not like soaking wet or anything. And so I definitely would recommend getting one of these for sure. Like, it does a great job. Definitely recommend for girls maybe who have really thick hair and just need something that will soak up all that water. Okay, and lastly, this is honestly probably one of my favorite products that I got. I got this hair accessory holder. Look, this was $14.99, and you have like so you can use this as separate. So this, I put all my scrunchies in here. I put some more like scrunchies in there, and then actually you can hook all of your headbands on there. Let me show you what. Let me show you what it looks like separate here. And you just like take a headband and you just put it on. Oh my god, how cute is that? Like, it's so satisfying. Literally, I'm just so satisfied right now because it just holds everything together, because I had it in this drawer and like things would get on top of my headbands, and I mean you can see there are pearls on them, and so I didn't want them to get damaged. And I saw this in an Amazon haul someone had, and I fell in love because obviously I've been collecting so many scrunchies, and I just been like collecting headbands. I just needed somewhere to put it, and I feel like this would be really cute in like in your bathroom drawer, or if you had it on your vanity. And I feel like you can just get another one of these if you have several of them. And so I find this super helpful. It keeps me organized. And like also like a top tray, you could probably put like hair clips on the top tray as well. So it's a multi-purpose, and it's only $15. I felt like that was a pretty good deal because you're getting, you know, several, you know, storage things. And this probably was one of my favorite things that I bought. I was so excited to get it when I was waiting for it. I was so excited, guys. I feel like I'm becoming such an adult. Like, I get excited about home stuff, and it's the life, honestly. It feels good. So that was everything in my Amazon haul. I hope you guys like some of the products and that you will go check it out. I'll make sure everything is in the description box. And let me know what your favorite product was. And let me know if you guys have any Amazon products that I should try as well. and I'll see you guys in another video. See you later.